welcome back to part 4 of Dirty Garage Mods, the winch mount. And I'm trying a couple things out here, a couple new things out here, at least with lighting, especially because I noticed in my videos that what I'm looking at is just a little bit darker in the video than what it looks like on the lens. So I wanted to do this. So I'm going to catch you guys up. We are down to the last bit. I got the mount put on, and it was I want to tell you something right now. Using bed frame steel, pain in the butt. It's not worth using. I'll never use it again. It's good sturdy steel, but it's hard to drill through. I've burned up so many drill bits. I bought drill bits specially for this, and I still burned them up. So anyhow, I got to finish drilling these two holes out here, and to make them a little bit bigger. And once I do that, I will be attaching the winch, getting the cables hooked up and everything, and then putting the blade back on. So stay tuned, and I will be right back with the next part. Alright, so here we are. I'm going to cut back into this video tomorrow, but I got the holes drilled a little bit bigger, so I either need to find bolts that will fit in there that are long enough, or I need to drill the holes out bigger. I think I'm just going to go buy some bolts that will actually fit down in there that are kind of long. So anyways, we'll cut back into this tomorrow when there's daylight and all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys then. Alright, so here we are. We are back again in the sunlight. So I had enough. I went out and I bought drill bits, but before I realized what I did, I bought the wrong ones. So I said, screw it, I'm buying smaller bolts. So I bought those. So we're going to get this thing together today, get it running, and go move some gravel. So hang tight and I'll be right back. Alright, so here we are again. I ended up snapping a bolt, and I'll probably end up snapping these too, but for now it'll work. It's holding. It's kind of crooked for some reason, but I'm not worried about that. Not a big deal. If I'm going to be using it for it, ain't a big deal. But anyways, I got it on there. I'm getting ready to clean off the whole tractor because it's got a mess load of tools all over it. And then I'm going to be hooking the wiring back up, and zoom out here, Daniel. Be hooking the wiring back up, and I ain't worried about painting the frame or any of that right now. I'm going to do that later on. I'm going to get the wire hooked up, get it started up. Hasn't ran in a while. Fill the gas tank up, and I'm going to go and try to move some gravel for somebody and use that as my test. So anyways, I'll cut back here in a few minutes. I'll have to get another camera to mount to the tractor itself so I can show you guys it running. So I might be able to use this camera. I don't know. We'll see. So I'll be right back. So here we are back again. I'm going to show you guys that this works. I don't got time to go over and record it actually functioning, but I'm going to show you that it does work. So it's actually for being crappy welds. You know, my first time actually welding anything solid. It's pretty good. The bolts are holding up for now. We'll see how it does under pressure and all that. But yeah, so I'll take you and show you it working over there at the gravel parking lot next door here in a little bit. But I gotta go and do a driveway real fast. So anyways, I'll cut back here in a few minutes and you guys will see it in action. Alright, so I went down and spent a couple hours moving some gravel around. It done really good, but I ended up hitting a big pile. And these silver bolts here, they're not worth a crap when it comes to holding stuff. I know one or the other, probably this side over here, snapped. Anyways, it all pulled down. So, and I can show you when I raise it up. It's still functionable, but the problem is it broke. So I'm going to have to do some repairs and try to figure out what I need to do. So anyways, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button, comment below, follow me on Facebook, the link will be in the description, Instagram, link in the description. If you want to support my channel, link for that will be in the description at Patreon. And that'll be it. So I will catch you guys in the next one, and we'll be starting a completely different build. So thanks for watching. See you soon.